Hi guys, we're back. I'm back to uploading on YouTube again. Sorry for the month and a half break. I had to move back to school and get moved in and just felt like a time to take a little bit of a break. But I went to a war a week ago and so it's time to start uploading again because I have so much content and so much cool stuff to talk about. This is a little bit of a bonus video, so my upload schedule will start next Wednesday and from there will be every other Wednesday, maybe with a few more bonuses thrown in when I have time to edit them. So, that being said, I'm going to stop talking, onto the video. Hi guys, Hans Armour here, and today we're with...
Hi, I'm Joe.
And Joe's got a thing, so what you got?
So, this is a Raven with a long shot front barrel, slightly modified, at least it appears so. This is something I actually made for a competition last year, and it's got a switch shot master key in it, so you can remove the barrel and replace it with a different one. Right now I only have 3 barrels, well 4 if you count the Wiimote. It still plays, by the way. So this one's got a Boomco barrel in it. This is kind of my sniper right now, and it's got K26. And then the trigger is right here, so it's upside down, but it primes and still fires pretty well. I also brought a mega barrel for zombies or special rounds, and Brass Elite, both of them also K26. Nothing really fancy about the Raven. It's just got IMRs and barricade motors in it. But one thing I do like about it is I also added flywheels to the long shot front barrel. So it's like an afterburner system, a 2-stage. It's supposed to be, it was designed to be a sleeper mod originally. So on this side you can't really tell too well, but on the other side you can kind of see the flywheels or the motors there out a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, and the upside down Nerf logo.
Oh yeah,
that's always a giveaway.
Yeah, well, originally I had the stock grip and everything, but that kind of fell to pieces. Mm-hmm. And then just last night, I added this little wiring system, so it allows me to switch on and off those flywheels using this rev trigger. Without it, it still has its own battery pack in it, and so you can still run it solo, like on a Springer blaster or something. It's got a little button on the bottom, and eventually I want to add to that momentary switch. I want to add like a toggle switch, something so I could just flip it on and leave it on for a while, like a barricade.
Yeah, leave it on for a round.
Exactly.
Flip it off when you need it to stop being noisy.
Exactly.
Makes sense. You know what kind of performance you're getting out of the main blaster with the afterburner on it?
That's a good question. I don't know. We'll have to do a chrono on it.
We'll chrono in a second, and here are our numbers, if I remember to write them down.
Yeah, but I will say I didn't put a lot of money into it. I just took a lot of blasters I had lying around and kind of crammed them into different guts.
Yeah.
So the motors, both in the Raven and in the afterburners, are just barricade motors with IMRs powering them. Yeah. So it's nothing too fancy, but just going for a different mod that I haven't seen anyone else do before. So yeah.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's super sleek and clean. Super cool to see.
Thank you very much.
Well, thanks for talking about your blaster.
Absolutely.
Cool.